Hello there, my name is Brett Gelfand. I am co-founder, CEO of PAQcase. I wanted to give a quick testimonial to the amazing work, efforts, and resources that RSP Inc. has to offer to my company, PAQcase. When we approached RSP early 2018 about getting involved in a project to invent and design some really unique packaging solutions, RSP was always extremely informative, extremely trustworthy, provided extremely competitive quotes, and as it was my first company, really gave me the confidence that I was working with a reputable and reliable manufacturing partner to make our dreams come to life. So I only have good things to say about our partnership with RSP Inc. I visited China and their Shenzhen facility in 2019 and had a blast with their team, and really respect the open door policy they have there at RSP. I can't say enough good things about the team that I work with, both the US and China team, and within about a year and a half of working with RSP, our company has exploded in growth. We've produced millions of units in our first year, and this has been a partnership that has been better than I could have ever imagined. So thank you, RSP Inc., for your efforts and energy, and I can't wait to see what the future holds.